Okay, it took me a minute to calculate this. This is an 11 by 15, and I'm going to cut all of this part off. The papers I was working on are actually an 8.5 by 11, you know, for the mixed media, and then I cut them in half. So this would be a really nice ground to start on for an advanced work in that. I could even tea stain this one. There we go. All right, so I want to have this piece be 8.5 because this is already 11. So if I do this and go to 8.5, that's what I'm going to have. Okay, so I know this is hard to see up here, but there are numbers on it. Let's see, on this. There we go. Oh, no, there aren't. No wonder they're hard to see. All right, so 8.5. Is right. I'll put my thumb on that thumbprint right there. And then make sure it's buttered up. That's 8.5. It sure looks big. Well, it's not 8.5. Oh yeah, that's 8.5 to there. Yeah. Okay. All right, so now we have a nice 8.5 by 11. I'm going to just glue those down more. To do mixed media on, and then cut into 2 pieces. I was trying to figure out how to cut them into pieces before, so I just cut that whole thing. That's just right. This here, this is a little dirty down here too. It's just lint. Okay. So this is, now I don't have my gloves on. Notice I'm also not touching with that part of my thumb. I just like touch carefully. This little piece here should be a something and a half. It is 5.5 by 11. And if we fold that in half, I guess we have a 5.5 inch square.